Feeling puzzled, confused, or unsure with your home decor, wanting something more. Need a fresh eye, a brand new design. Come along with Emma, let our styles align. It's design with Emma, let's make a change. Out of box decorator, just call on me. From apartment to house, we'll make it truly yours. All in your Good afternoon, everyone. This is Friends with Super Channel Premiere Party. And for the premiere party today, the video I'm gonna show you is of my guest bedroom decorated for fall. So come along with me as I show you how I've decorated my guest bedroom for fall. I'll let you take a look at it. Then what I'll do is come back and tell you a little bit about what I've done here. Okay, so let me tell you a little bit about what I've done here in my guest bedroom. I decided to use what I have. I did not want to go out and purchase anything, and I have a lot more than what I need. So I decided to go ahead and use this gray and white comforter. And I purchased it from Ross's, and it is very comfortable. It is very, very soft, and not only soft, it is beautiful. I've used my white quilt underneath the comforter,
And this white quilt was also from Ross's. Underneath it, I have the gray sheets. Here I have the fair pillow covers, which were from Amazon. I have the fair pillow here in the middle, which was from Burlington's. And then here on the back, I have the fair pillows that matches the comforter, and also the pillows that match the quilt. So I have 3 sets of pillows here. I have the set that matches the quilt, the set that matches the comforter, and then I put my accent pillows in front of them. Over here, I have the throw that matches the pillow covers, and they were from Amazon. I have the bow pillow here, which was from Burlington's, and that makes up my bed. As you can see, I have 3 layers on my bed. I have the sheets. I went back in with the quilt. On top of the quilt, I added the comforter, and then my throw and pillows. So over here for my guests, I have a chase. And on the chase, what I have here, I have a throw to keep them warm. I also have the gray pillow. This pillow was from Home Goods. The throw was from Home Goods. Then I have the tray here with the candle, and also a pumpkin with the grace book. In this corner, I have a full-length mirror. I also have a table here with a pumpkin, and of course, the bedside table. Those lamps were from Ross's. That mirror was from Burlington's, I think. My drapes, I've added 4 panels. The 2 in the middle I've tied together, and the 2 on the ends I have left open. In the corner here, of course, I have 3 mirrors, and they were from the Jonathan and Drew collection. I have those over the bed also with the beautiful wreath and flowers. I also have put a chair here in the corner of the room, and then of course we have the TV and the chest. So this is my guest bedroom makeover for fall. I hope I've given you some tips and ideas when making over your bedrooms for the fall season. I want to thank the design family for coming along with me, because as you well know, without you, I could not do this. So again, I say thank you. I also want to thank Friends with Super Channels for hosting the premiere party. And if you are not a member of Friends with Super Channel, come on over and join us, because we would love to have you. This is Emma. If you would, leave me a comment. Let me know what you think of my guest room makeover. I'll be seeing you in my next video.